morning on August 12th. We are getting out here on the water again on the Choctawhatchee. This time I brought Hannah with me, one of my daughters, and she's having fun. It's gonna be a hot day today. I think it's supposed to get up to about 100 degrees with 100 and something feel like 110 feel like humidity feel like, what do they call that? Anyway, it's gonna be hot. We're gonna have to jump in the water for too much longer. We're gonna look for that blue spring that's over here on the right somewhere once we get up further. That's where that four-wheeler trail comes out. It starts up there at the boat ramp at Curry Ferry, and it comes out on this sandbar. Come out here one time. Somebody had a tent up camping out here. It's a good place to camp as long as it ain't flooding. Love the flag. Pretty cool. Probably only made it a mile down the Choctawhatchee from our starting point at Curry Ferry Landing. We had to jump in the water, cool off. Man, it feels a lot better now. We're probably gonna be doing that a lot. Gotta check this little fishing house. Nice little fish house right there. Got an air conditioner and I think there's a fan on the front porch. And this Choctawhatchee is pretty. It's pretty today. Yep, that's another one of them fish houses. A floating fish house. Hannah, you having a good time? Nice out here, ain't it? There's that fishing house, the second one we've seen. And a little bitty waterfall. Not much to it. Still nice to listen to. Let's get back out here and get back started. Y'all doing any good? Just got here, okay. I seen them jumping. Look like they active. There. See that, Hannah? You look on this bank just past this tree that you can see the alligator. See the alligator? See him right there, his tail's laying on the bank. He's a decent sized one. He ain't moving. You can stay over there, buddy. of these fishing houses on this river. There's another one. That one looks pretty new. Looks like they're still working on that one. That's some nice siding. It's pretty big. Lots of pontoons under it too. Look at that. At this point, we've made quite a few stops along the way, taking breaks, so we're trying to make up some time. Getting to the Blue Spring is a little further than what I was anticipating. So we're just trying to keep a steady pace. Trying to make it enjoyable too, though. It's fun. I think Hannah's having a good time. That's the boat ramp I probably should have put in. I would have cut 3 more miles off of our trip. And this is my first time going down with Hannah, and her first time as well. She's not very experienced at this, so that would have helped us. That would have helped us a lot. I'll probably do that next time. I don't know who's putting all the American flags up on the sandbar, but I like it. This is the 3rd one I've seen today. I'm assuming that that's part of a boat. Is that the top of a boat? I'm not sure. It looks like the top of a boat, like a sunk boat right there. Oh, it is. Yes, it is. Huh. That must have been somebody's fishing house. And I guess it sank. Look at that. Looked like it was a fairly nice looking boat at one time. It has definitely seen better days. Look, they even got grass growing on top. Need to bring the lawnmower. It's probably 95 degrees in the shade, but it feels better in the shade. Hannah is outrunning me in that little boat. That's a little sit-in kayak Pelican. And this is a sit-on-top Pelican. It just don't go quite as fast. Another fishing house. Assuming all that came out of the river? I don't know. Or either maybe I guess that caved off the side. Maybe I don't know. A lot of rocks. Well, we're getting closer to the Blue Spring. According to the map, I think we're less than half a mile. I hope we're less than half a mile. Finally. Oh yeah, that's like ice cold water right there. We finally got here. Should have came during the week. Come during the week. There ain't nobody here. Hmm? What? Bugs? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm going. It's deep in the middle. It's right in the middle. It's not deep anywhere else. It's deep right in the middle. Here they got a rope. Somebody got the rope hung up. You can swing off of. Bunch of more of those rocks off the banks, I guess. I don't know. A lot of them. A pile of them. Look at all those trees. Tree limbs. Dead trees, I guess, from Michael. I don't know. Piled up there. There's some shade on this side, Hannah. Stay on this side over here underneath the shade trees. Oh my goodness, look at the size of that fish. There's a huge fish right here. I'm gonna try to get him on camera. Oh, I can't see him. There he is. I don't know if y'all can see him. Y'all see him in the water there. He is huge. Right here. Right, he's swimming between these two logs right here. He's huge. He's right up there at that end now. He's coming under it, probably. Yeah, he's coming out. He's coming out over here on this side. He's right over there. Go towards that tree. You see him? He's right there next to that tree. In the sunlight, where the sunlight's at. Alright. Alright, let's move on. It's shady over here, Hannah. It's shady on this side. You don't need to be in the sun if you ain't gotta be. Well, it's safe to say we are done for the day. We're getting back to the boat ramp where we're going to take out at. Close to Caryville, and we are tired. We are tired. Take our ride there around maybe by 3 o'clock. Been a good trip. I think we're just both pooped and maybe a little sunburned. Hopefully not too bad. We brought sunblock, but look like we still got some sunburn. We got to get some better sunblock. There's another one of those little fish boats on pontoons somebody built. I think that makes probably the 5th or 6th one we've seen. This is about a Man, I'm gonna tell you, it is hot at 2:44 today. Somebody's canoe. Well, for a 50-year-old man, I guess I did all right. I wouldn't recommend taking this trip in this time of the year with this heat. It was a little bit further than I probably should have went. I'd say in this heat, maybe 3-4 miles, 5 at the most, with plenty of breaks. Plenty of water. It was a fun trip still. Well, we've had a good time, but we've been praying for clouds, I can tell you that. The sun was tough. I'm not sure what the high temperature got up to, but I know it was around 100. With that bird flying across there, you'll see those birds. Look at that. More fish houses. Fishing spots. They're all over the place. There's another fishing house. We've got thunder in the background we're hearing. So we are currently trying to get to the boat ramp. My wife is patiently waiting on us, I hope patiently. We got to get out of the water before this storm comes up on us. I don't want to be caught out here in the light. Oh, I see civilization. We're almost there. I'm ready to straighten my back out. Caryville. This is the boat landing it's north of Highway 90 in Caryville. It's not on Highway 90, it's north of there. We had a great time going down the Choctawhatchee on the kayaks. It was a great adventure. We learned a lot. We got to see a lot. We probably will do it again. If you've never done it, I'd suggest doing it. Take a chance and try it out. And thanks so much for watching my video.